everyone, Dejahao. Welcome back to another unboxing and trial of my ordered clipper from Shein. So, eto yon yung na-order ko sa Shein, Professional Electric Hair Clipper. May nakalagay dito, comfortable experience and perfect hairstyle daw. So, let's see. So, nakalagay dito na product name is Professional Hair Clipper. So, rechargeable siya. And then, charging time niya is 3 hours. Battery capacity is 400 milliamperes. Blade gear daw is 0.8 to 2.0 mm. Output power, 3 watts. Blade material, ceramic blade. Product power, 3 watts. Working time, about 1 hour or 60 minutes. Yung motor naman niya is copper core. Input voltage current is 5 volts. So, pag open natin, makikita natin yung product description and manual. Merong kasama sa loob na comb, sponge, yung charging wire, and then according dito sa product description, ito ay cutting element. Ang size niya is from 3mm to 12mm. Itong part naman na to is yung length setting adjustment ring. So, naka-default sa kanya is 2mm. So, this one is yung talim niya, yung cutting element. Ito naman yung on and off niya. So, makikita natin na may battery pa siya kasi nag-green light. Dito naman yung charging port, Type-C. Type-C siya. So, try natin i-insert itong cutting element. Ang size niya is yung 12mm. So, okay naman. Fit naman siya. Medyo mahirap siya matanggal. So, this one is 9mm. Nakalock dapat siya. This one naman is 6mm. And the last, yung 3mm. So, okay naman. Ingat lang kasi matalim yung blade niya, yung cutting element. So, meron tong maliit na brush na panglinis after gamitin. So, maganda siya. Parang pang-professional talaga. Kahit ako, hindi ako professional. So, i-try natin i-charge kung nag-charge ba talaga. May naka-ready na ako ditong charging head at saka yung ating outlet. So, let's see kung nagpa-function ba ang kanyang charging port. charging naman kasi nag-on yung red light. So, before using, nakalagay dito sa maintenance niya na before using, dapat i-charge muna siya ng 2 hours. Okay naman siya para sa akin. So, okay siya para sa akin sa mababang halaga ko nabili. This is only worth 146 NT. Ang regular price niya is 496 Taiwan dollars. So, ang laking tipid talaga. So, i-try natin kay Wayton. Hindi po ako professional na tagagupit ha. Actually, this is my first time. So, i-try natin sa bata para walang reklamo. Siyempre, hindi perfect, pero nakasave na ako ng 150 NT kasi 150 ang worth ng isang haircut dito ng bata. So, if you are new here in my channel, please don't forget to like, comment, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye!